Power, 295 horsepower. Range, 250 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes. Interior features high-quality materials, Audi's MMI infotainment system, and a spacious premium cabin. Audi's Q4 e-tron is the perfect combination of luxury, technology, and practicality, making it a strong contender in the luxury electric SUV market. Electric vehicles in 2025 are becoming more efficient, smarter, and more eco-friendly, with major advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving features. Improved battery efficiency provides longer ranges and faster charging times, reducing range anxiety and downtime. New fast charging technology enables 80% charge in under 30 minutes. More vehicles are featuring advanced driver assistance systems, moving towards full autonomy. The electric vehicle revolution is at its peak, with 2025 set to be a defining year for the industry. From faster charging to longer driving ranges and from groundbreaking autonomous technology to sustainable production practices, electric vehicles are no longer just a niche market, they are the future of transportation. In this video, we'll explore the key innovations in EVs for 2025, spotlight the top models, and dive into what's next for electric mobility. Tesla's Model 3 continues to be one of the world's best-selling electric vehicles, and the 2025 version is packed with improvements that enhance its performance and appeal. With Tesla's renowned autopilot technology and continuous software updates, the Model 3 remains at the cutting edge of electric cars. Power, 450